Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 4, Conclusion. In this chapter, we will conclude our discussion of moving and selling a home. In this lesson, we will take a look at other IRS publications that may be helpful when learning more about this area. You may be interested in the following: IRS Publication 530, Tax Information for Homeowners; IRS Publication 551, Basis of Assets; and IRS Publication 4681, Canceled Debts, Foreclosures, Repossessions, and Abandonments. There is also a telephone hotline especially for those who practice before the IRS. The Practitioner Priority Service is a nationwide, toll-free hotline that provides professional support to practitioners with account-related questions. The toll-free number for this service is 866-860-4259.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.